Hello everyone. So I just got a box in the mail today from WavyTalk on TikTok shop, and I'm so excited to open it. So I cut it here on the bottom. It did get damaged a little bit in the mail, but it's not a big deal. So it's called WavyTalk. There you go. Ooh. Ooh. And it came with pamphlets, papers, and whatnot. And it comes with different type of, this is the bottom part of it, which I'm going to unbox. It comes with a little baggie. Ooh. And a glove, just so you don't burn yourself. And then it comes with 5 different dividers. So first things first is this one. Dividers, wands. That's very thin. That's beautiful. That's purple. And then we got this one. That's beautiful. And then the next one. This is a nice thick one. Here you go. Gorgeous. This purple is so stunning. And I'm more of a pink girl, so this purple is really, the brush. I love that. Alrighty. And then this last one, it also comes with this wiggly one. Interesting. So then it comes with also a divider, the clips and whatnot. So the box is empty. All right, so what we do is we connect the bottom part, which I'm going to stick it in the whole thingies in there. I was like, how do you do this? All right, so you put it on and you wait for it to heat up. I got to say, it heats up right away. Like it's getting there. And I can't wait to try all of these. I'll make separate videos for each of these, but I can't wait to try all of these. This is interesting because I've never tried this one before. And it looks interesting. I think it's all ready to go. And there's no bad smell. So here, let's divide my hair just a little bit better. Just so you guys kind of get a better idea to see. And then I'll come back and do all of it. But just so you guys can get an idea, a better idea on how to do it. These other ones are really interesting. Okay, so here we go. Loop it around and brush. There we go. Very pretty. Very pretty. I like it so far. I love using new tools. My little brother bought me that. He sent that to me in the mail one day. He goes, I got a surprise for you. I'm like, all right. Comes in the mail. I'm like, this guy. But I've kept it ever since and I love it. It's a nice little decor. It gets a little bit digging used to. That's nice. Not too, you know, very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'll do these last parts and then I'll come back. Yeah, let's comb it out first. Give it that shiny look. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Getting to the final part of this area. Look at that curl. Look at that. It's so fudging pretty. I gotta stop cursing, damn it. Gorgeous. How beautiful. Let's do the top now. Or the crown area, if you will. And I just want to disclaim, I am not a hairstylist at all. At all. There we go. But I do love hair. That's pretty, a little flip. All right, I brought you guys back for the last part. Varnish, okay. Let me do this here. There we go. I'm always scratching my face whenever I do my hair. It's so annoying. Very nice. Beautiful. Oh yeah, there we go. Let's sit for a good minute. Whoop. And there you go. Let's put this down for a good minute. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let it cool off, but very nice. That's beautiful. There you go.